In this friendly review, I'm going to be showing you how this software can help you generate apps for your business. So it's given here. Use this no-code app builder to create custom internal tools and client portals. So this software is best for freelancers, marketers, and small businesses. It's also an alternative to AppSheet and Bubble. So what this software does is that it can help you build internal business tools and client portals with just a simple text prompt. So this is how Friendly looks like, and you can type in the prompt here and you can submit by clicking this blue button right over here, and you can get the app generated in a few seconds. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you how Friendly can help you create these amazing apps that can help your business. So Friendly helps you customize and edit your entire app in just a few minutes. It also helps you to add functionality to your app with pre-built blocks. So it can be templates, lists, forms, charts, etc. Plus you can also modify the app's domain, logo and colors. You can see here it's a screenshot of how Friendly looks like. I'm gonna be showing all of this later in the video. Also, it has got amazing automation tools like Pabbly, Zapier, Activepieces and Make. So if you scroll a little down, you can see that it can help you translate user-facing text. Then it can help you create an analytics dashboard. Also, it helps you to create a branded client project dashboard. So if you scroll down, you can see a screenshot on one of the app that has been created by Friendly. So if you go down to the plans and features, you can see that it has got a lifetime access. That means once you buy this product, it's gonna be there for you till lifetime. You don't have any monthly payments. Also, one of the key features is that it has got 20 plus templates and all future templates. So you guys can build these apps for analytics, investor portals, CRM and inventory management systems. Now let's talk about the license tier 1 of Friendly. So it has got 5 application and it can give you 10 AI tokens per month. Then the second license can give you 10 apps and 20 AI tokens per month. Then comes the third tier and it goes all the way till the 5th tier. In the 5th tier, you can get unlimited apps and almost 500 AI tokens per month. Now I'm gonna be showing you how you can use Friendly to generate apps. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you click the link down below in order to purchase Friendly. So in order to make this app with AI, you have to type in the prompt right over here and you have to submit. So in my case, I don't have much idea about the prompt. So I'm gonna click right over here, which it says it shows some sample prompt. So I'm gonna click here. So in the sample prompt, you can see that there is health and fitness tracking. Create an app where users can log workouts, track nutrition, set fitness goals and monitor progress over time with detailed analytics. Then it has got event planning and coordination, language learning, client portal, analytics dashboard, inventory management. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be going ahead with the health and fitness tracking for you guys to easily make understanding of it. Now I'm gonna press the submit button. So it has generated some spreadsheets. It includes workouts, nutrition, fitness goals, progress. You can add more spreadsheets if you want, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna keep it like this. So in the workout section, you can see a Friendly idea. So every user will have his own ID. Then comes the nutrition, in which you can see all this. Then comes fitness goals, which gives all of this, and then progress. Now let's go ahead and click the button over here, in which it will go to the sample records. It's generating. So the app has generated some sample spreadsheet data. So you can see the date right over here, the ID of the user, then comes the duration, then comes exercise name, then comes calorie burned, and notes where he done the workout. Now let's go to the pages. So it has generated some pages for the app. You can modify if you want, but I'm gonna keep it like this itself. Now let's go to the page blocks. Now Friendly has created your page block. So if you go ahead and click on the form button over here, you can see all of these blocks. So if you want a table, you can go ahead and click this table right over here, so it changes to table. But if you want to make it in form, you can press it the form. So as you can see, it has changed. Now I'm gonna be just keeping it like this. You can optimize based on your needs. Now I'm gonna click on the preview app. This is the step where the app is finalized and it's gonna create you an amazing app. So as you can see, Friendly has finally generated the app. So it has got a number of sections. So this is the workout section, then comes the nutrition section, then comes the fitness goals, then progress, then analytics. So if you go to workouts, you can see running, yoga, weightlifting, etc. You can add new workouts if you want. I think this is where the analytics is shown. You can add workouts here as well. So if you go to nutritions, you can see you can track your calories as well. So you can see oatmeal is 150, salad 200, grilled chicken 300. So you can keep on tracking your nutrition. In the fitness goal, you can set goals. So for example, you can set your goals. For example, if you want to lose weight, you can lose 10 pounds in 2 months. You can set it like this by entering the data over here. And next comes the progress. This is where your progress is shown in the analytics. And at the end comes the analytics. So this is where your overall progress is kept. So you can track everything over this analytics tool right over here. Anyways, I'm gonna finalize the app right over here. So I can see the live app right over here. So I have just clicked on it. As you can see, the app is finally finalized and my app is running as well. I personally feel Friendly is an amazing app. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.